Okay, so I kind of just randomly decided to go to New Mexico. I have zero plans. I am doing a solo road trip. I'm super excited about it, and I'm just gonna see where the wind takes me, and you're gonna come along for the ride.
I just want to move on, so I've got to be strong.
So, we are currently at a rest stop in Arizona. It is 1:03 outside. It is lit. It's like, it's weird. It's like a dry heat. Anyway, so we are now going to continue on and head to Phoenix. I will update you when we get there. Oh my God, I am totally driving through a haboob right now. This is crazy. This is nuts. Okay, so I gotta drive slow. Oh my God. Crazy. This is nuts.
I got to let go. I've got to let go of you. I've got to let go of you. Got to let go of you. I've got to let go.
Okay, so my cousins just took me to a place in Phoenix called Bolero, and it's like massively fancy. I'm vlogging. It'll go, yeah, I'm gonna do like a road trip anyway. So, yeah. So, yeah, so we're bowling, and I actually bowled 9 on my first, which is like unheard of. Hey, we're at the Bolero.
Bolero.
Bolero, sponsor us.
So, what are you gonna do?
I'm gonna go put those last 2 pins down.
There you go. Show us how it's done. There she is.
Okay, so this bowling alley it's really nice. Like, I have to say, it's so much nicer than the bowling alleys in San Diego. It's very retro, very cool. Oh yeah, it's awesome. I can edit out most things.
Okay.
They don't make me look large.
What's up, Katie?
Okay. I'm gonna get a 9. My turn. Not my turn. I'm just gonna sit down. As slow as I go.
Go, Katie, go. Oh, how does it look? Oh, I'll take it too. Excellent. Oh, so close. Oh, I can't do that. I don't know how.
Can I edit it? I wish. I wish I could edit it. That would be fantastic. Okay, so listen. I'm telling you, Bolero, I got shorted one, and yeah, can you fix mine? No, not that one. The one that it says I just had 8 on. I'm gonna see if she can edit that for me. I've hit 9, 9, 9 the entire way, so we'll see how it goes. Anyway, okay, back to bowling. I just got my first strike! Yay! I did it! Yes! I won! I mean, the game's not over, but I think I won. Oh, shoot, that is fair! Maybe I didn't win after all! Wait, I'm coming! I'm coming! Okay, so now she got a spare, so now, maybe I didn't win. You gotta go again, girl! Okay, let's find out. Do you think I'm gonna win? Do you think I'm gonna win? Or is my cousin Sarah gonna win? Let's see. Oh my God. Oh, she just got robbed. I want to recount. I want to recount. Oh my God. It was, oh wait, did it go down? Wow, wow, wow.